A very good evening to all of you. Today in this class we will start a new topic, that is circle. This is a structure of circle. In a circle, this point is called center of the circle and denoted by C. This point or this line is known as radius and it is denoted by R. R means radius. Radius is the point from which the circumference is joined by the center, that is called radius. And after joining two points of the circumference, we will find a diameter, that is known as D. D for diameter. Diameter is double of radius. Diameter is double of radius. So D equal to 2R. This is radius and the total line is known as diameter, means the diameter is double of radius. This line is known as chord. It is known as chord. Chord, the line that joins two points of the circle of a circumference. There is a difference between diameter and chord. The diameter is the line that passes through the center, but for chord it is not fixed. A chord joins only 2 points of the circumference from anywhere. This is center, radius, chord, total line, diameter. And the whole path is known as circumference. Circumference means boundary. Boundary of a circle. Boundary of a circle. And the circumference C equals 2 pi. It is the formula of circumference of circle. C equals 2 pi R, where R is radius. And the inner part is known as area. Area equals pi R square. Area equals pi R square. So circumference that denotes by C. C equals 2 pi R. Area denotes by A. A equal to pi R square, and the diameter that is double of radius. These are some basic points that are related with the circle. Now we solve some questions that are related with the circle. Our first question, find the radius of a circle whose circumference is 176 centimeter. It is a circle. Find the radius of a circle. The question asked about the radius of circle. Means we will find the value of radius R. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference is 176 centimeter. The value of the boundary, that is also known as circumference, is 176 centimeter. C equal to 176 centimeter. This value is given in the question. We know that C equals to 2 pi R. C equals 2 pi R. Means the value 2 pi R is equal to 176 centimeter. 176 equals 2 pi r, और 2 pi r equals 176 centimeter. Now we put the values. The value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14. This is a constant value. The value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14. This is a constant value and never changes. 2. We put the value of pi here, 22/7 into r equals 176 centimeter. Now r equals r equals 7 into 176. The number 7 will be cross multiplied, and 2 into 22 goes into the fraction. So r equals 22 8 is 176. 22 8 is 176 and 2 4 is 8. So r equals 4 into 7. 4 into 7 means 28 centimeter. This is our final answer, or the value of radius. So the value of radius is 28 centimeter. Now for second question. Find the area of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. It is a circle and the radius is 14 centimeter. Means this value is equal to 14 centimeter. Find the area. Now we find area of the circle. Area means the inner part. R equals 14 centimeter given. This value is given, R equal to 14 centimeter, and we find area. Area equal to pi r square. Area of circle equal to pi r square. So the value of pi is 22/7 and the value of radius, that is given 14 centimeter square. Now 22/7 into 14 square means 14 into 14. 7 to the 14. So 22 into 14 to the 28 means area equals 22 into 28. 28 to the 56. 6 5 carry 28 to the 56 and 5 61.